here for a week on doing some travel, and I want to show you what I packed. This is all my clothes and shoes and everything for a week's time, and I got it all in this little duffel bag. Easy to get on the plane and carry around with me. No wheels, but that's okay. It's got straps. It's a duffel bag that converts into a backpack. But more importantly, I wanted to show you this system. Before we get started, let me take a moment and welcome you to the channel. Do lots of home projects around the house. Nothing is off limits. Be sure to click that subscribe button, like this video, and share this with somebody that you know. And while I have you here, if you want to turn your hobbies and skills into cash, just like I'm doing with this YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how you can make your own YouTube channel. I started from scratch with no prior knowledge, and I'm going to share with you all my secrets and tips. Check the link in the description below. Let's get back to business. I've got these little bags. These are like compressible bags. These are so awesome. Let me get these out and show you how much I can fit in here. So that is basically all my socks and underwear and sleeping shorts. And then I've got all my pants and shirts that are both professional and personal and workout. So I'll show you what I mean. And then I've got my toiletries. And then a pair of nicer shoes. I wore those on the plane, and those are kind of like the work shoes. And then a belt. So that was a very efficient use of space. This little bag gets great reviews, and it's super durable, super cool looking, I think. Pretty discreet, being the black color that it is. But let's get this booted up here. I'll carry this over the bed and get these open. You can see what's in them, what I actually packed. Now this side is for, I think, clean or dirty clothes. You would have that option as this side. So you only need to pack it on one side. We'll pack everything back up so you can get a chance to see what that looks like. But this is it. I've got some compressible pants. These are kind of like, probably should have worn those on the plane, but whatever. And then I've got a couple of work shirts. Obviously they need to be ironed. Let's see how much I put in there. So we've got 4 work shirts and a t-shirt and a pair of work pants. And I wore on jeans, so I could wear that with pretty much anything as well. And that wasn't even stuffed full. I could probably fit 3 or 4 more things in there. Now, obviously, it's not like a huge down jacket or a sweatshirt. That'll fill up. So, but normal, t-shirts, normal collared shirts. And then, as I mentioned here, this is also not full. It looks full, but you can get a little bit more in there. This has, I'm not going to show you all my socks and underwear, but workout shoes, not shoes. What am I thinking? Workout shorts, a workout shirt, and then sleeping shorts, and then like 4 or 5 pairs of socks and underwear all in there. And that's going to set me up for the week. Look at all those clothes. That's pretty sweet. Now to pack it all back up, you choose a side. This is a ventilated side. This is a non-ventilated side. But in the middle is this blue, can you see that? This other zipper that goes all the way around. You're gonna unzip that and then extend out the blue. And that shows you very clearly. I like that color, as opposed to if it's all black, you couldn't really tell very well. But we're gonna basically put everything back in. And I don't recommend stuffing it in there, but I have things folded. Alrighty. And so you just kind of make sure the edges are tucked down. Just stack it high. Get things out of the way. Put the lid on. And then zip up the lid. I call it a lid. It's not a lid. Top, whatever you want to call it. It's not the point. Okay, so look, and it's got more play in it, so you could actually fit. You see how it's kind of poofy? It's not taut. So you could fit a lot more in there actually. Anyway, once you're happy, you find the middle zipper again, and it's got this anti-snag liner. It's like a plastic liner, so it doesn't actually snag the fabric, which is nice. So you can get kind of rough with it, and it won't break. And that is it. Look at that. So cool. Highly recommended.